Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Couchbase package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can download the official dep package by running the next command. Run the command below to install the meta package of Couchbase repository on your system. Update the packages. Now install the couchbase-server. Once installed, start and enable the couchbase-server by running the next commands. After finishing the installation and configuration steps, open your web browser and go to your IP address and the port 8091. You will be redirected to Couchbase server setup as shown. To set up a new cluster, click on Setup New Cluster button. Enter the cluster name and create a new password for admin user as follows. Click Next on Accept Terms. Read and agree on the terms and condition by checking I accept the terms and condition, then click on Configuration Links, Memory and Server button, or just like me, finish with the defaults. That's it, now you can work with the Couchbase. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.